Hello and welcome to the channel, YouTube world. I wanted to share something with you I thought was exciting. One of my biggest pet peeves with SkaterXL was the lack of a thumbnail preview with community maps. It was just a black screen and it was really frustrating. Well, with the release of 1.0, I started noticing that now that people are re-releasing their maps, which by the way, you don't need map fix. There is no map fix. That is a thing of the past. People simply need to re-release the map to be compatible with 1.0. The map fix is essentially built into the game engine. These are the ones that have been adopted by the devs, so they have a thumbnail preview. But look at this. This guy has a thumbnail, and I was like, hey, that's interesting. Never seen that before. Quebec Skate Plaza got remade for 1.0. It's got a thumbnail. This one had a black screen, so I used my own screenshot just to test it with a different file format, and it worked. So, let me simply show you how that works. It's very, very simple. So when you go to your My Computer, you go to your C drive, users, your username, mine Spartacus, then go to Documents, SkaterXL, and Maps. And if you don't have a Maps folder, then make one. I now put each map in its own folder. So green block in its own folder, because that's where the screenshot is. So if you don't like that one, make your own. Slap it in. Just make sure that the name is exactly the same 100%, or it will not work and you'll get a black screen. You can leave it out like I've shown you here. It does work, but this will end up being a lot more cluttered. So by making folders for each map, slapping in the map file, taking a screenshot that you like, slapping it in, it just works. This one's a JPEG, and it worked. I mean, you're looking at it right now. So that's to prove to you that either JPEG or PNG works. For whatever reason, most people use PNG. I just use whatever. I'm too lazy to convert the file. And that's literally it. That is all there is to it. So first of all, I didn't even know that maps could be put in a subfolder. I didn't know that. Now I know that. And within each one, like I said, you can throw in your preferred screenshot of each map, make it your own, and that's it. I do not know, however, how to do official maps. You see how this guy called his level 0? When you look at the SkaterXL data, like where your actual game is installed, you'll notice that there's a level 0, a level 1. This isn't the same level 0, by the way. But the file is incredibly small. I actually just don't know where the real maps are. They're not, I think these are the ones, shared asset 7.6. I just don't know how it works, so it's a little bit too complicated. Like, we just don't see Hudland or, you know, the big ramp or whatever, or downtown Los Angeles. It's not obvious as to which file it is. So I don't think we can do it with official maps. I don't think it really matters because the preview seems to be decent enough that you can at least tell what is the map that you're about to play. Do you know what I mean? Because like I said, that was my biggest pet peeve. I was looking through all these maps, all these black screens, and I was like, what map is that again? Having to go into it. Plus, community-created maps tend to load a little bit slower, and it was really frustrating, especially with a big list. Well, now I can simply go, oh yeah, that one. You know, oh yeah, that one, or whatever. Anyhow, I just thought I'd show you that, so if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You didn't like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. And I'll make sure the next time you skate in real life or you're playing in the game and you're trying to show off for a friend, I come right behind you and I do this.
I'll do it!
And if you want to subscribe to the channel, naturally that would be great, but if not, thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care, boys and girls, or whatever it is you identify as. And hopefully I'll see at least some of you in the next video. Bye now.